I recently read an article that shows that multiple sclerosis may be genetic. So this is from the BBC, published earlier this month, and is feeding into the idea that autoimmune conditions are due to modern-day standards of living and cleanliness. So thousands of years ago, our ancestors developed genes that protected them against illnesses and bacteria, parasites that are no longer a concern in a sterile society. And that this is what has made modern immune systems more susceptible to autoimmune diseases. So basically, our immune systems are bored and they're attacking shit it's not supposed to. About 5,000 years ago, there was a massive migration of cattle herders called Yamaya. That came into northern Europe. They carried a gene variant that protected them against diseases within the herds. Now, this project spanned about 10 years, and they utilized DNA from about 5,000 ancient humans and compared them against hundreds of thousands of people living in the UK today. So the paper's author and MS doctors at the John Radcliffe Hospital in Oxford say that the discovery helps to demystify the disease. MS is not caused by mutation. It is driven by normal genes to protect us against pathogens. Professor Fugger also stated in the Oxford Mail, this means we can now understand and seek to treat MS for what it actually is, the result of genetic adaptation to certain environmental conditions that occurred back in our prehistory. You can find the articles in the BBC and also the Oxford Mail. And I came across this theory a few months ago, and really it makes perfect sense to me. It makes a lot more sense than a lot of the other theories out there. And it's not just MS that they are showing is due to a gene adaptation. Other studies are finding the same thing with Alzheimer's, diabetes, and even autism.